Hello, welcome to Editing Videos with Lord Fish. I'm currently using Clipchamp. You can, I don't know where that accent came from. It can be found online for free. This is what I use because I don't know, like you shouldn't waste money unless you got tons of money. Maybe you got tons of money, you want to piss out the window, use something better, but this is what I use. So check this out. I'm going to create a video. You can use all kinds of templates and stuff. I'm not sure what's free and what's not free, so I'm not going to bother. I'm just here to show you the basics of how to edit a video in here. So I do have a clip ready. And so, oh, that's the current one. Taping, possibly. So I'm going to take the video that I have ready, and I'm going to drag it and drop it over here. And we'll follow a few simple steps. So I don't want the whole video. In this case, I did make a simple tips part on this video, during this video, about coordination, or coordinates. So we're going to edit it out of there. So we're going to have to find it. And I can take my volume and just turn it down a little bit for it's not so loud, and we'll turn it back up after. So we'll go to audio. And I'll just show you how you can quickly edit this stuff, and it's easy enough. Alright, so what I've done, I found the exact point I want to edit. As you can see right up here, it tells us the exact time. So I'm just going to go in a little bit, and you can see this line's already here. So what we're going to do is click on either side of the line. We're going to right click, we're going to hit split. So we're going to take this video, and we're just going to delete that whole other half. So now we've got the short clip of what we need. And I'm also going to go over here, and the other marker point was 25 seconds. So I'm just going to try my best to hit 25, and I'll double check when we're there by hitting play. Okay, so I think we're there. We're going to hit clip. Sorry, we're going to right click and split it. And we're going to take this first half and delete it. We're going to delete the space. And I have my clip exactly where I want it, depending on what I want to do with it. Say I wanted to make it no short, we would change the size up here down to a 1x1 or a 9x16, and we'd have to change our screen size a little bit to try to squeeze everything in. I'm not going to do it right now, but it's easy enough to do. And then after that, all we need to do is hit export and name our video. If we wanted to do some things like add writing, there's all those features in here. There's also templates, and you could cut your video anywhere you want. If I just wanted to add an extra chunk, I could split it here and move the section out, put the new section in the middle, and pop it back together. And it's easy enough to edit things in, edit things out, and really easy to use. It's free, and it's what I've used, so I'm just used to it. I'm sure other programs are similar. I hope it helps you for whatever you're doing, and you can get through editing with this free program. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Check out all my other stuff on my channel, and have a great day. Bye.